Hello everyone. So I'm going to teach you how to find the z value from the normal distribution table. Okay, I will show you a few examples so that you can find the z value in various pattern of questions. Okay, let's take a look on the first example. The first example, which is Bz is more than 1.92. 1.92. Okay, so I'm going to draw the table, draw the bell shape graph. Okay, this is 0, and then we need to put 1.92 here because 1.92 is in positive value, and it is, you can see here the sign. We have to notice the sign. Oh, it is more than meaning it is shaded in this area. Alright, and from this area we need to find the value for this area. How to find the value? Okay, you need to use the normal distribution table. Okay, this is the z. Okay, look at the 1.9. So the answer, the question is 1.92, right? So you have to take the 2 here and find 1.9. So you can see 1.92, and the answer is 0.0274. So write down your answer. Your answer is 0.0274. Let's take a look on question 2, which is P z is less than the negative 1.925. Again, we need to we need to draw the bell-shaped graph. Okay, and this is 0, and where is negative 1.925? if you see the sign negative value, if you notice the negative value, then the answer should be in this part where all the left side is negative for the negative value, and then you can put here negative 1.925, and it is less than, then you can write, you can shade with this part. So this is, if you use the symmetry concept, it is similar to this bell shape. Okay, similar to this bell shape, but in positive side, which is 1.925 here. So this is similar to, this is what we call symmetry concept. And from here you need to write down P z is more than 1.925. So from here, from this question, from this question, you can write down P z is more than 1.925. Yes, and you can find the value of z more than 1.925. We need to find the value here. So how? by using the normal distribution table. So you need to find 1.92 1.9. Okay, here again 1.92 1.92, here 1.92. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 here. You need to minus. Minus means you have to subtract with what? Okay, with 3 value. You can see here. Oh, you need to subtract 0.0274, subtract with 0.0003. Then what you will get? You will get 4 minus 3 is 1, and then 7 to 0.0. So this is your answer. So don't be afraid if you noticed about the question is having 3 decimal places, because you can minus the last decimal places with this part of the normal distribution table. Okay, so you can write down your answer, which is what we got, 0.0271. This is the answer, and this is how the bell shape look like. Okay, let's proceed with the third example. The third example is p1.0 less than z and more than 1.0 and then less than 2.0. Okay, from here it could be, so you need to imagine how if you can imagine it clearly by using the bell shape graph, then you can get correct answer and you can see it more clearly. Okay, you can notice that both of this value is in positive value. So here is 0, and then this part is 1.0, and this is 2.0, and then this is the question about in between. So this is the shaded part. Okay, meaning that you need to pz more than 1.0 here minus with pz more than 2.0. Okay, then all you need to do is again find the value of z from the normal distribution table. Okay, let's take a look on 1.0. 1.0 is, there it is. Okay, 1.0. So the answer is 0.1587. 0.1587 minus with pz more than 2.0. 2.0. Oh, there it is. 2.0 is 0.0228. 0.0228. Okay, then you will get the answer is 0.1359. I hope that you will understand it more clearly, because this chapter is quite easy if you understand it. This is step example 4. Okay, the example 4 is quite tricky. PZB negative 2.15 less than or equal to more than, okay, and then less than or equal to 0.5. okay, I want to make sure that this, okay, less than or equal or more than or equal to, they have nothing to do with it. Okay, so it is the same as you write like this and like this. Okay, and okay, let's proceed with create the bell shape. Draw the bell shape so you can see it more clearly. Okay, this is 0, and okay, you have to notice that both of this value have a different sign, which is one is negative value and one is positive value. So the negative value, you have to put it on the left side, which is negative 2.15, and the positive value at this side, 0.5. Okay, so since the question is in between, meaning it is the shaded region is right here in between. Okay, and then equal to, okay, so you need to find this part, you need to find this section. As we know that all of this pz is equal to 1, so we need to subtract it with, if you want to find the shaded region, then you have to write like this: 1 minus pz, which is pz more than 0.5, close the bracket, and minus again with p z less than negative 2.15. okay, okay, let's do this. P negative 2.15 less than or equal to z, so 0.5 is equal to 1 minus p z more than 0.5 minus, means you have to minus this part and minus this part also, and this is how we write it. So p z less than equal negative 2.15. okay, from this part you can write it 1 minus with p z more than 0.5 minus with, and this part we already learned it before from the other example, meaning that we use the symmetry concept, negative 2.15, and we need to, okay, this is the negative side, and it is similarly with this, we use symmetric concept with 2.15, and we get this. So I can write it down like this: p z more than 2.15. equal to 1 minus 0.5. 0.5, we need to find the value from the normal distribution table. What is it? 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Here 0.5, and this is the answer, 0.3085. 0.3085 minus with 2.15. 2.1 here, 5. So 2.1 is here and 5 is here. Okay, so the answer is 0.0158. 0.0158. So equal to, use your calculator, and the answer is 0.6757. So in order to prevent from doing mistakes when you need to use the normal distribution table, please remember to always do the bell shape, and you have to figure out either you can use the symmetry concept or not. And I think that's all. Thank you.